12 divided by 6 over 7 times 7. 7 into here 1, 7 into here 1. We are left with 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 will give us 2, which is incorrect because according to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are to work from our left to our right, which is we are to solve our division first before multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 12 divided by 6 over 7 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 12, change division to multiplication, then flip 6 over 7 to 7 over 6 times 7. 6 into here 1, 6 into here 2. We are left with 2 times 7 times 7. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Then we have 14 times 7. 14 times 7 is equals to 98. 98 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.